The Blood and Sand is a classic cocktail that blends the warmth of Scotch whisky with the sweetness of cherry brandy and orange juice, balanced with a touch of vermouth. You will need the following ingredients: 3/4 of an ounce Scotch whisky, preferably a mild and balanced blend, 3/4 of an ounce cherry brandy. Hearing. Cherry liqueur is recommended. 3/4 of an ounce sweet vermouth. A quality sweet vermouth like Carpano Antica formula works well. 3/4 of an ounce fresh orange juice, freshly squeezed for best results. Garnish orange peel or cherry. Optional, for visual appeal and an extra hint of flavor. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, ice, strainer, martini or coupe glass, jigger. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add the Scotch whisky, cherry brandy, sweet vermouth, and fresh orange juice to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled, around 15 to 20 seconds. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini or coupe glass. Garnish with an orange peel or cherry if desired. The Blood and Sand cocktail was first created in the 1920s and was named after a 1922 silent film starring Rudolph Valentino. It has since become one of the few classic Scotch-based cocktails,